Mexico City, the bustling heart of Mexico, is often overlooked by many solo travelers in favor of more traditional destinations like Cancun or Playa del Carmen. However, the capital city is an exciting, dynamic, and rich cultural hub that has so much to offer those who dare to explore it solo. From its vibrant street art scene to its world-class museums, delicious cuisine, and warm, welcoming locals, Mexico City is an ideal destination for solo travelers looking for a unique, authentic, and enriching experience. In this video, we'll explore why Mexico City should be at the top of your list for your next solo adventure. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a foodie, an art lover, or someone simply seeking an adventure off the beaten path, Mexico City has something for you. Let's dive into the reasons why this vibrant metropolis should be your next solo travel destination. Rich history and culture, a journey through time. One of the most compelling reasons to visit Mexico City is its incredible history. As one of the oldest cities in the Americas, Mexico City was once the heart of the mighty Aztec Empire, and its history spans thousands of years. For history buffs, there's no shortage of fascinating landmarks and museums that provide insight into the city's rich cultural heritage. Start your journey at the Zocalo, the main square in that historic center, which was once the heart of Tenochtitlan, the Aztec capital. The square is surrounded by iconic buildings like the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace, where you can see Diego Rivera's famous murals depicting Mexico's history. A short walk from here, you'll find the Templo Mayor, the ancient Aztec temple that offers a deep dive into the city's pre-Hispanic past. For a more immersive historical experience, visit the National Museum of Anthropology. Located in Chapultepec Park, this museum houses one of the most extensive collections of pre-Columbian artifacts in the world, including the famous Aztec Sunstone. The museum provides a fascinating look at Mexico's indigenous cultures and offers a perfect introduction to the complex history of the region. Mexico City's history is not confined to the past. It is constantly evolving, and as a solo traveler, you'll have the chance to witness firsthand the blend of old and new that makes the city so unique. Solo-friendly atmosphere, safe and welcoming. Safety is one of the top concerns for solo travelers, but Mexico City has worked hard to become a more welcoming destination for visitors. While, like any large city, it has areas where you should remain cautious, the city is generally safe for tourists, especially when you stick to well-traveled neighborhoods. Many areas, such as Polanco, Roma, and Condesa, are known for their trendy caves, art galleries, and walkable streets, making them ideal for solo exploration. The locals, known for their hospitality, are incredibly friendly and always willing to help travelers. Whether you need directions, restaurant recommendations, or simply want to chat about the city's history, you'll find that Mexicans are eager to share their culture and experiences with visitors. As a solo traveler, this warmth is one of the most enriching aspects of the trip. Public transportation, particularly the metro, is affordable, efficient, and relatively easy to navigate, even for those traveling alone. The metro system offers a great way to get around the city, with several routes connecting key areas. Additionally, Uber and other ride-sharing services are widely available, providing another safe and convenient option for solo travelers. Unbeatable culinary scene, a food lover's paradise. Mexico City is often considered one of the best food cities in the world, and it's a paradise for solo travelers who love to indulge in local flavors. From street food stalls to fine dining, the city offers a diverse range of culinary experiences that cater to every taste and budget. Start your gastronomic journey with a visit to La Merced or El Mercado de San Juan, two of the city's largest and most vibrant markets. Here, you can sample everything from tacos al pastor and quesadillas to exotic fruits and local delicacies like chapulines, fried grasshoppers. These markets are a great place to try the street food that Mexico City is famous for, and as a solo traveler, you'll feel comfortable eating at one of the bustling food stalls, where locals regularly dine. For a more refined experience, head to Pujol, one of Mexico's best restaurants, where Chef Enrico Vera blends traditional Mexican ingredients with modern culinary techniques. Reservations are highly recommended, but it's well worth the effort to experience a meal at this iconic establishment. Another top restaurant is Quinto Mill, known for its innovative dishes and exceptional use of local ingredients. Vibrant art and architecture scene, inspiration at every corner. Mexico City's art and architecture scene is one of the most dynamic in the world, offering solo travelers an opportunity to explore unique and inspiring spaces. From world-class museums to colorful street art, the city is a visual feast that offers something for every art lover. Start with a visit to the Frida Kahlo Museum, also known as Casa Azul, Blue House, located in the vibrant neighborhood of Coyoacán. This charming house-turned museum was the home of iconic Mexican artist Frida Kahlo and is a must-see for those interested in her life and work. The museum is filled with Kahlo's paintings, personal items, and photos that provide a glimpse into her tumultuous yet fascinating life. If contemporary art is more your style, head to the Museo Jumex or Museo Tamayo in Palenque. Both museums showcase a rotating collection of contemporary and modern art from both Mexican and international artists. These museums offer a stark contrast to the historical and cultural attractions, giving visitors a chance to engage with the city's thriving art scene. Mexico City is also known for its street art, and the neighborhoods of Roma and La Condesa are particularly famous for their colorful murals. A walking tour through these areas will introduce you to large-scale street art pieces that blend politics, social commentary, and artistic expression. For those traveling solo, it's a great way to explore the city on foot while also getting a sense of its artistic spirit. Green spaces and outdoor activities, nature in the city. Despite being one of the largest cities in the world, Mexico City is home to numerous green spaces where you can escape the urban hustle and bustle. These parks and gardens provide a perfect retreat for solo travelers seeking some peace and quiet amidst the city's vibrancy. One of the most popular green spaces is Chapultepec Park, one of the largest urban parks in the world. Chapultepec is home to several museums, including the National Museum of History and the Tamayo Museum, as well as a beautiful lake where you can rent a boat and paddle around. For nature lovers, Parque de los Venados or Parque La Mexicana offers smaller but equally relaxing green spaces where you can enjoy a peaceful walk or a picnic. For those who enjoy more active pursuits, Mexico City offers plenty of opportunities for hiking and biking. The nearby Desierto de los Leones National Park and La Marquesa are both perfect for hiking, mountain biking, or simply enjoying a scenic day out in nature. These parks are less than an hour from the city center and provide a refreshing break from the urban landscape. Solo travelers can take advantage of Mexico City's outdoor spaces for leisurely walks, yoga sessions, or even join a local fitness group for outdoor workouts in the park. In 2025, the city will continue to invest in green spaces, making it an even more attractive destination for those looking to relax and unwind. Affordable and accessible, a budget-friendly destination. One of the best things about Mexico City is that it is incredibly affordable compared to other major cities around the world. As a solo traveler, you'll find that your money goes a lot further here, allowing you to experience all that the city has to offer without breaking the bank. Accommodation options range from budget-friendly hostels to mid-range boutique hotels and even luxury stays. Many hostels in Mexico City offer private rooms for solo travelers, providing a safe and social environment for those traveling alone. Neighborhoods like Roma, Condesa, and Palenque offer a range of options, making it easy to find accommodation that suits your style and budget. Food is also incredibly affordable, especially if you're eating at local markets or casual restaurants. Street food is not only delicious but also budget-friendly, allowing you to enjoy authentic Mexican cuisine without spending a fortune. Mexico City is an incredible destination for solo travelers, offering a mix of history, culture, art, food, and outdoor adventures that cater to every type of traveler. The city's welcoming atmosphere, vibrant energy, and affordable prices make it an ideal destination for those traveling alone, whether you're seeking to explore its rich heritage or simply enjoy the urban experience. If you're looking for a destination that offers an enriching, safe, and unique experience, Mexico City should be at the top of your list. With so much to see, do, and explore, it's a city that invites you to discover something new at every turn. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our travel content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.